Let's look at another example of how easy it is to use the power of Agentforce and interacting in a secure way with the large language models to help with the productivity and creation of standard operating procedures. So you see I have a new procedure here that I've started to work on, and I'm starting to fill in the blanks with the information that I need. And one of the things that I need help with is what are the step-by-step instructions for a monthly bank reconciliation. Obviously, that's a standard practice in most accounting departments, and so I wanted to leverage that outreach to the LLM to see what other people were doing. So to do that, I simply click on my interface, and now Agentforce will call out in a secure way to the LLM and return back a list of standard step-by-step instructions based on a criteria that I set up in Prompt Builder. And you can see that it's a good list and it's in the right format. So I'll go ahead and click Use. It automatically adds it to the field so that I can evaluate it. And now while I'm evaluating it, I can see that it's a pretty good list, and I wanted to actually create the detailed steps using the structure of the SOP. So to do that, I simply go up here and I click Add Steps, and it launches a Salesforce flow that incorporates that information into the system automatically. And when I refresh my screen, you can see that it's added the step-by-step instructions under the steps, and then it's also cleared the response field. So again, it's an easy, great way to kind of increase the productivity and the accuracy and quality of the standard operating procedures as we go.